Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing another H&M haul. So I have these 6 pieces right here, and these are all from the sale section of H&M. So they're all super cheap, and I just thought it would be fun to do an H&M sale try-on haul to see, what other people don't buy. Is it any good? And I actually think that most of these pieces are. So by the way, I'm wearing sunglasses because I am not really wearing any eye makeup. I'm not feeling super great. My throat is kind of sore, so I didn't want to put on too much makeup. I just didn't have the energy. Plus, these sunglasses go so well with this look, so I'm not mad at it. So anyways, let's just get into it. So the first piece is this velour or velvet skirt. I got this in a size large. It is very stretchy and I really like this. I think it is so cute. I love the velvet material. I also really like that you can't see through this skirt, and I also like the length. It is a mini skirt, as you can see, but it's not extremely short. Because I'm tall, mini skirts can sometimes just be too short, but I feel like this one is a perfect length. And I also really like the little detailing, the string detailing over here on the side. So all in all, I think this is so cute. It's so comfortable and it's super cute. So next up we have this top, and this is my favorite thing in this entire haul. So this is a little halterneck. I love the colors, I love the print, I love the design up here with the little hole and then the string that goes around the neck. And again, it's a perfect length for me. It is a crop top, but it's not too short. I do have a bigger bust, so sometimes crop tops, they're just too small. They only just cover the boobs. And I like my crop tops to go a little bit down on the stomach. And this one does that, so I'm just in love with this. I got this in a size large. It fits beautifully. It does have stretch. I just think this is super flattering. I can see myself wearing this all summer long.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
Next up we have the same halterneck top, just in white. This one I also do like because it's the same style, but I'm not totally sold on the white color. It's just a little bit too see-through for me. I can kind of tell that I have the red bra on underneath this top, which I'm not a big fan of. And also white is just so hard to keep clean. Like, I already got foundation on this string. But I mean, anyways, it is really cute. Despite the fact that it's white, I like all the same points for this top as I did with the other one. And again, I got this in a size large. Fits beautifully.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
So next up we have this top. This one I got in a size XL, and I feel like it's a little bit too big actually. I definitely should have gotten a size large. Normally, if an XL is available in these kind of crop tops, I do buy the XL because I do have a larger bust. But with these particular items, I definitely feel like an L would have been fine. I have also lost a little bit of weight lately, so that might contribute. But anyways, I do think this is really cute. I really like this style. I'm wearing one of those like stick-on bras underneath this because the cut at the side is kind of low, so you can see my strapless bra. So that's why I went with one of those like smack-on bras. What are they called? So yeah, I do like this one, but not as much as the two other ones. I also don't like the cut as much up here. I feel like it goes up a little bit too high. And again, this does have some stretch, so I definitely should have went with a size large.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go.
up we have this shirt. This is definitely my least favorite piece. This looked so cute online, but on, I don't know, I'm not sold on it. I got this in a US size 12. This does not have any stretch whatsoever. And my main issue with this is that it's so sheer. It is so fucking see-through. I do not know what I should wear underneath this. For the demo, I wore a nude stick-on bra, but I mean, you can see it, honey. You can see it. So I think if I were to wear this out, I would wear a white tank top underneath it. But yeah, I'm not really digging it. I think, you know, this piece down here, the flares down here, it's really cute. I like that it has adjustable straps, but just the see-throughness and also the way it sits across my chest, it's kind of boxy. This is definitely not my favorite. So finally I got a sweater. This was super cheap. It was, you know, I don't know, like 80% off. It was so affordable. And when I first opened the package and I saw this, I wasn't really feeling it. But on, I actually really like it. I like the fit a whole lot. I know this won't be everyone's favorite sweater, and I know we're not in season for sweaters at all, but I could see myself using this in the fall. It's nice and thick, it's nice and warm, and it looks slouchy, but in the really cute, like casual chic kind of way. And I think I would pair this with a pair of skinny jeans. By the way, I got this in a size large. I think it fits beautifully. It is oversized. The only thing with this garment is that it's itchy. It is itchy. Let me see if I can find out what this is made out of, because it's itchy, you guys. So it's acrylic and wool. So yeah, that's kind of a downer, because, you know, I can't wear a t-shirt underneath this because it's so low cut. But I feel like I have to wait and see, you know, in the fall time, how it actually feels on a nice chill day. Okay, so there you guys have it. That is my H&M sale try-on haul. By the way, this shirt is also from H&M. It says snatched, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. But yeah, anyways, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed the try-on haul, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And if you guys want to see a slideshow of all the pieces on, I will have that up on my Instagram. And yeah, my Instagram will be linked down below. So that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.